So yeah, I left this upside down, pointed at the sky. Water ran into it past that seal. And oh, sorry. Yeah, that was funny. They're like, get out the way! Inbound! Yeah, pretty fried. We will see. So, this has a guide on it. Which method do I normally use? I forget. I think I've been using B. I bet I can tell by looking. I started with orange, put green in the middle, so I've been using B. So they sort them by pairs. So it goes orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, green, white, and solid blue, then strap blue, then green, and strap brown and brown, like that. So then you try to bring them together in that order. And we'll twist back and forth, twist back and forth, twist back and forth. Wiggle, wiggle. Orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, brown. That is correct. A pass-through type connector. And if I can do that. Pass through. Nice and snug. And you can also check the order again. Orange, white, orange, green, white, blue. Blue, white, green, brown, white, brown. Then you just stick it in here. Some cut off pieces. So pick out the little corrosion from the power connector, which, stupid, was also pointed at this guy. So may have fried the camera. We'll see.